Hello, people. This is me again. I'm not sure how many videos this was now. I think this is my third. Yeah, not going so well. So far, I think 6 Um, yeah, that's my new headphones. Beats by Dre. Bam, bam, bam. Beautiful. Okay, well, actually, they're not mine. Literally, I just don't use them. I was listening to music a couple of minutes ago before this video. Yeah, so I decided to make a video with these awesome headphones that I'm coming to steal from my brother. Not, he probably killed me. But I left my headphones at my other house, my mom's house, and I'm in my dad's house. And that's my thing. And, yeah, so if you like my Beats by Dre headphones, like, thumbs up. And if you don't like them, don't thumbs down. I don't like thumbs down. They make me sad. If you don't like them, comment saying no. Then, yeah. Oh, sucks we don't like them, but these things are awesome. If you have better ones, then probably why you would say no. If there's better ones. Obviously, these are fashionable. And they're great. They're really long cord. I'm gonna have a mustache. This is my disguise. You guys don't know who I am. I have a beard. Okay. That's that. You're probably getting bored right now. So, yeah. Let's talk about my victims that aren't mine. That's a big one topic, I think. You know, GTA really looks like directly at the camera, like I'm staring at you. I don't know. I feel weird when I do it because I can't see me. But a lot of people do that. I don't know how they do it. Creeps me out. When you look at the video after, you'll see what I look. Okay, cool. If you see my hair is partly red, I think it's cool. So I'm excited too. I'm excited. Then I'm gonna Yeah, I got bored. And it was 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. I also made a video about me when I was dyeing my hair, but I'm not gonna put that because it's gay. My face just comes and interrupts me while I'm dyeing my hair. Or highlighting it, or whatever. Yeah. I feel like I'm so close to the camera. Good picture, right? I feel like I showed my brother Kyle screen on his jacket, his boots. His boots. That sounds cool. Not. Yep. Well, can you guys please comment on what I should do next for this video? It's not gonna be hard. I'll just have to click a little box like right there. Lower though. Like not that slow, just like click a box, type in the idea you think it's do, and be like, hey DJ Marvel 123 or just DJ Marvel, not 123, that sounds gay. I had to do it because it's also DJ Marvel on this I think. So yeah. Just go down there, click the box. And you should do for your next video. You should for your next video. You should make a cover. Show off your house. Crack some walnuts. I don't know. You know, okay, I'll be right back. It'll take me like 5 seconds, maybe. Okay. I think this is a long video. Okay, yeah, that's longer than 5 seconds. Okay. Here's the walnut. Just because that came to my head. And then use this tool. So this is to kill somebody. Then I'm gonna stab myself. Walnut. I feel like I'm dissecting walnuts. I don't know how to use this. Ooh, I can see it. Hate anything related to peanuts is disgusting. I don't know why I was thinking that. I probably just my brother. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm gonna say to you guys. I'm probably really bored right now, so I'm just gonna speed everything up. I didn't really know what I was gonna talk about. I feel like I'm on like the people with the autism like but when you do 25 and you go back 25. I think yeah, that's the idea is just say what you want me to do in the next video. And yeah, I'll probably do it because I have no clue what I should do. Show my house, describe my life, describe how it came up with DJ Marvel. I don't know. I'm coming up ideas with I'm coming up with ideas by myself, but I don't know if I should do it, so say if I should in the comments. Okay, oh yeah, this is long. You're probably getting bored. Okay, bye. Bye, YouTube. Talk to you later. What you give me an idea to do?